students, today we are discussing about the important questioning pattern, important questions, important topics for the JEE 2023 physics. So coming to the point, the most important topics for the JEE 2023 physics is, first you have to concentrate on units and dimensions. Units and dimensions, common errors. So this is an important chapter and easy chapter, and you can complete the revision in 4 hours this chapter. So in the units and dimensions and errors, first of all you have to concentrate on dimensional analysis. You have to concentrate on dimensional analysis. That is, second one, vernier calipers is important. Vernier calipers, concentrate on vernier calipers and screw gauge. Concentrate on vernier calipers and screw gauge and percentage errors. Percentage errors. So these are the very important areas in the units and dimensions, and compulsory you will get one question from the units and dimensions which carries 4 marks, and very easy chapter, you can complete this. See here in the units and dimensions and errors, dimensional analysis, that is principle of homogeneity, like that. And this is vernier calipers and screw gauge and percentage errors. Second chapter is you can concentrate on the kinematics. You can concentrate on the kinematics. And again this kinematics is nothing but we have motion in a straight line, and we have motion in a plane. Motion in a straight line, motion in a plane. Okay, so motion in a straight line, motion in a plane. And first of all, here you have to find out the terms. That is, suppose for example, displacement as a function of t, displacement as a function of a is the function of x, b is the function of x, b is the function of t, and you have to concentrate on the kinematic variable functions. On the problems on differentiation and integration. Concentrate problems on differentiation. Majority differentiation problems. And next, concentrate on the graphs. Concentrate on the graphs. And in the motion in the plane, concentrate on projectile motion. Motion in the plane, concentrate on the projectile motion. And that too you can concentrate on oblique projectile. Oblique projectile. So the major area we have to focus is problems on differentiation and graphs. I mean, you can also concentrate on problems on the variable acceleration also you can concentrate, and compulsory you will get one question. Compulsory you will get one question from the kinematics. And third one is laws of motion. Third one is laws of motion. Laws of motion and friction. In laws of motion and friction, you will get one question. And here in the laws of motion, you can concentrate on the constraints. Constraint motion of pulley, constraints of pulley, constraints of wedge, and constraints of rod. And in the friction, you can concentrate on block on block. Concentrate on block on block. Okay. And here after constraints, you can concentrate on Newton's second law. That is variable mass systems. You can concentrate on variable mass systems. Okay. Friction you can concentrate block on block, and static friction, kinetic friction. Okay. So again you will get, this is one question from the compulsory, you will get one question from the laws of motion. And the next one is most important, that is work power energy. So work power energy, the fourth important topic is work power energy. So in the work power energy you can concentrate on work power energy. Fourth important topic is work power energy. WP. In the work power energy, You can concentrate on problems on conservation of energy. Problems on conservation of energy you can concentrate. Okay now. Next problems on VCM, that is vertical circular motion. And next problems on work done by variable force, and next graphs for potential energy and conservative forces. Okay, and mainly you have to concentrate on the work energy theorem. So you have to concentrate on work energy theorem also. Work energy theorem. So majority problems are based on the work energy theorem. Majority problems are based on the work energy theorem. Okay. And fifth topic is center of mass and collisions. In center of mass and collisions, you have concentrate on how to take COM for uniform rigid bodies. And the next one, problems on boat. And third one is, in the collisions you have to concentrate collision in 1D and coefficient of restitution. You have to concentrate on coefficient of restitution. So center of mass and collisions is a very easy chapter, and you will get one question from the center of mass and collisions. Okay. And second one is rotational motion. Next one is rotational motion. So in the rotational motion, next one rotational motion. In the rotational motion, you have to concentrate on moment of inertia. Next, conservation of angular momentum. And cavity problems, taking moment of inertia, cavity problems. We can say that cavity problems. And in the center of mass also we will discuss the cavity problems. And fourth one is torque. So you have to concentrate on these: moment of inertia, conservation of angular momentum, cavity problems, how to take the moment of inertia if the cavity is given, and problems on the torque. So these are very important topics. Rotational motion, and you will get one question from the rotational motion. And seventh one is easy chapter, gravitation. So in gravitation, you have to concentrate. First one, problems on cavity, that is solid sphere. Problems on cavity. And the next one is taking gravitational field. For different objects like solid sphere, hollow sphere. Like that, problems on solid sphere, hollow sphere. And third one is nothing but conservation of energy. That is, we will apply the conservation of energy during escape speed and orbital speed. And conservation of energy. And next one is orbital speed and escape speed. So in these topics you can go through the PYQs. Okay, so very easy chapter and easy to complete also. Okay, next, mechanical properties of fluids. In mechanical properties of the fluids, you can concentrate on Bernoulli's theorem. And second one is Archimedes principle, and Archimedes principle will comes under fluid statics. Bernoulli principle is fluid dynamics. And third one is principle of continuity. So principle of continuity and hydraulic lift, that is Pascal's law. You can concentrate on these subtopics. Okay. and that is nothing but fifth one is nothing but surface tension. In surface tension, you have to concentrate on pulleys of two soap bubbles and air bubbles. Okay. Next, radius of common drop. Radius of how to take radius of the common drop. And eighth one is concentrate on work done. Work done is nothing but surface energy. And these are the topics you have to concentrate on the fluids. Okay. And fluids is quite lengthy chapter, but you will get one question in the fluids. And next, in simple harmonic motion. Ninth one is simple harmonic motion. You will get one question from the simple harmonic motion. In simple harmonic motion, concentrate on the graphs, AX graph, BX graph, and AV graph. Next, concentrate on potential energy and kinetic energy graphs. And third one is concentrate on energy, velocity, displacement equations, energy, velocity and displacement equations. And in the simple harmonic motion, concentrate on springs connected in series, connected in parallel. How to take effective time period in series and parallel. And the second, rotation of sphere. Or you can involve some rolling concepts also. Rolling concepts can involve some rolling concepts. Okay now. So no need of this, but springs are very important from the simple harmonic motion. And next one is thermal properties. The thermal properties. In thermal properties, you can concentrate on expansion of solids. And thermal stress. Concentrate on thermal stress. And second one is nothing but meter scale or measuring tapes you can concentrate. Okay now. And next one is expansion of liquids. Variation of density with the temperature. So you can concentrate these things in the thermal properties. And the next, KTG and thermodynamics. In KTG and thermodynamics, and mainly in thermodynamics, first you have to concentrate on the efficiency of Carnot engine, and reversible engine also you have to concentrate. Efficiency of Carnot engine, reversible engine. And next, coefficient of performance of refrigerator, that is COP of refrigerator, that is nothing but coefficient of performance of the refrigerator. And third one is graphs for PV, VT graphs and PT graphs. Okay. And fourth one is nothing but polytropic process. And fifth one is in KTG, you can concentrate on the specific heats, problems on the specific heats. And very easy chapter, KTG and thermodynamics, you can clear very easily. It's thermodynamics and KTG. And coming to the second year part, this is very important. Electrostatics is very important. In electrostatics, you can concentrate on earthing problems, and second one is cavity problems, and you can concentrate on conservation of energy, that is closest distance, conservation of energy. And you can concentrate on dipole, and taking electric field due to dipole, potential due to dipole, electric field of dipole and potential of dipole you have to concentrate. Okay. And fifth one is Gauss law is very important and you have to concentrate on the Gauss law. And you will get compulsory one question from here. And in the capacitors, so next one is capacitors. In the capacitors you have to concentrate. First one you have to concentrate on capacitors in series and parallel. Capacitors in series and parallel. Next you have to concentrate on dielectrics. And third one you have to concentrate on the variable dielectrics. You have to concentrate on the variable dielectrics. Okay. And these are important problems. And problems on the switching problems. Problems on switches. Okay. And this is very important chapter 2. And fifth one is you have to concentrate on energy problems. Energy problems on the energy stored in the capacitor. And next one, current electricity, very easy chapter. Current electricity. In current electricity, you have to concentrate on electric circuits. Next, cells in series and parallel. Cells in series and parallel. Electric circuits, cells in series and parallel. And you can concentrate on problems on drift velocity. Next you can concentrate on variation of resistance with temperature. And maximum power theorem. And potentiometer and meter, these are very important. Potentiometer and meter, these are very important topics. Okay, so mainly you have to concentrate in current electricity, electric circuits, series and parallel combinations of resistors, cells, and you have to concentrate on the potential energy, potentiometer. You will get one circuit from the current electricity. And if the circuit is mixed, and definitely you will get a problem from the potentiometer and meter. Moving charges and magnetism. In the moving charges and magnetism means bar magnetism. In the moving charges and magnetism, do the problems how to take the field. Problems on field. And second one is problems on force. That's all. Problems on field and problems on force. And third one is in bar magnetism. You have to calculate the apparent, how to calculate apparent problems. And fourth one is you have to calculate the magnetic moment, and you will get one theory question from the magnetism if it is possible. Then you have to go through all the magnetic properties of the magnetic materials, and very easy chapter. And sixth one is hysteresis curve, and next one is magnetic moment. So magnetic moment, problems on the magnetic moments, and problems on magnetic susceptibility, relation between chi m and h and b. Okay, so these relations, these are very important relations. Okay, and next one is alternating current. In alternating current, you have to focus on alternating current. In alternating current, you have to focus on how to take IRMS, VRMS. And second one is you have to concentrate on the AC circuits, impedance, reactance, and quality factor. You have to concentrate on these things. And the fourth one, you have to concentrate on the resonance and the LC circuits and energy stored in LC. Energy stored in inductor, that is energy stored in LC circuits also you can discuss. And the next thing is that in ray optics, so concentrate on ray optics, very important chapter for the ray optics. Ray optics is very important, and this is important for advanced also. In the ray optics, you have to concentrate. First one, you have to concentrate on velocity of image. Velocity of image due to plane and spherical mirror. Due to plane and spherical mirror. Velocity of image due to plane and spherical mirrors. And you have to concentrate on. Second one, you have to concentrate on lens and lens maker formula. Lens and lens maker formula you have to concentrate. And third one, you have to concentrate on prism. And fourth one, you have to concentrate on dispersion. Okay. So prism, dispersion. And fifth, you have to concentrate on telescope and compound microscope. This is optical instruments. Compound microscope. You have to concentrate on these things. Okay. And ray optics is very important chapter. And sixth one is combination of lens. Combination of lens. And the seventh one is combination of lens and mirror. Combination of lens and mirror. Okay. Next, these are nothing but combination of lens and mirror is nothing but silvered lens. Silvered lens, and very important topic. Next one is TIR, that is total internal reflection. So TIR at critical angle you can write. TIR at critical angle. This is about the ray optics. And in the wave optics, and the next important chapter is wave optics. And in the wave optics, you can concentrate on, first one you have to concentrate on YDSC, and second, if it is possible, concentrate on diffraction. And next, YDSC intensity is bright fringes, intensity of bright fringes. That is, you will get bright and dark fringes, you will get that in the YDSC only. And wave optics is quite short chapter and very easy chapter. And second, next, electromagnetic waves, very important. Electromagnetic waves, very important. Compulsory, you will get one question and very easy to understand. And next, wave equation of electric field and magnetic field. Electric field and magnetic field. Okay. And the second one is electric field and magnetic field, and relations between speed of light and permeabilities. Relation between speed of light, and permeability and permeabilities. Relation between speed of light and permeability and permeabilities. Okay. And next one is semiconductors. In the semiconductors, you have to concentrate on very easy chapter, semiconductors, and you can also concentrate some theory questions also in semiconductors and go through NCERT for electromagnetic waves and semiconductors. And first one is logic gates, give first importance for the logic gates, and second one is you for PN junction diodes, give importance for the PN junction diode, and third one is logic gates, PN junction diode, and photodiode. Generally he won't ask photodiode, PN junction diode, logic gates, and Zener diode. And fourth one is you have to concentrate on transistor, and majority things you have to concentrate on the logic gates. Okay. And next one is communication systems, theory question you can easily do. And modern physics. In the modern physics, you have to concentrate on the work function, and next graphs of stopping potential and work function for stopping potential. And the third one is you have to concentrate on the de Broglie wavelength, very important. De Broglie wavelength, very important. And in the atomic physics, you can concentrate on the nuclear physics. You can concentrate on the nuclear fission and fusion. Okay. And fifth one, you can concentrate on mass defect. and binding energy, mass defect and binding energy. And you will get some series, Lyman series, Balmer series and Pascal series. Okay, Lyman series and series like Lyman series, Balmer series like that. And this is theory part only, very easy modern physics and very important modern physics. And definitely you will get from the modern physics. Modern physics is consisting of dual nature, atomic physics and nuclear physics. And compulsory you will get 3 to 4 questions from the modern physics. And semiconductors compulsory you will get 1 question. Okay. And these are the important topics for the JEE 2023. Okay. And in the next video I will restrict the topics which has to be focused. But today we discussed only about the topics and their subtopics which are useful for the preparation of JEE 2023. And my request is go through all the PYQs and you have to follow the PYQs of each and every chapter. PYQs of the order is first you take 2020, second one is 2021 and third one is 2022. Okay. And complete the PYQs conceptually and conceptual learning, conceptual solving, dominance. So conceptual problem solving you have to do and these 3 years PYQs you have to complete. Okay. And after completing, if you complete the PYQs and again do the revision, that's all. And just to do the revision and that gives the good performance for the 2023. And all the best students. Thank you very much.